Breakfast views. Here's our transport for the next 2 days. A lazy day into Twizel and a slightly less lazy day out to Tekapo.
Sorry, like, oh how?
Continent. Araroa into Ruataniwha, where we're heading now. Day 30, leaving Twizel. Just stayed the day with the Bells, Mike's parents. It was amazing. And we're going this way to Lake Ruataniwha in some rowing processions. Looking down towards the start of Ruataniwha. Perfect but chilly morning here today. Wallabies were introduced a few decades ago around Waimiri. They've just spread out and they're starting to eradicate them. What happens in 2.5 k?
Salmon.
That way. What do you got, Sue?
Got salmon sashimi, boysenberry ice cream, and manuka honey shortbread. One tea. And a beautiful view of Iraqi.
Just being reminded on this little hill, and I'm sure it's hell not a hill climber, but we've come up from the lake. Downhill is much better.
Give me an e-bike anytime.
These things are tanks. Here we are at Mount Cook Salmon Farm at the end of the canal at the Pukaki power station, and all these cars you can potentially see, they're all people fishing for salmon that have got out of those hatchery cages over there.
the spa bar, drying some clothes. And we've exploded in the room. Tony's measuring out our 3 couscous dinners. And as you can see, need to pack properly.